Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure snapshot backups using AWS EBS snapshots, full guide step by step clearly. To configure snapshot backups using AWS EBS snapshots, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on Elastic Block Store. Select Snapshots from the drop-down. To create a snapshot, click on the Create Snapshot button. Choose the volume you want to back up from the list of available EBS volumes. Input a descriptive name and add any necessary tags for easier management. Click on Create Snapshot to initiate the backup process. You will see a confirmation message that your snapshot is being created. Next, monitor the status of your snapshot in the list view. Once the snapshot status changes to completed, your backup is ready. To automate future backups, consider using AWS Data Lifecycle Manager. Return to the EC2 dashboard and select Lifecycle Manager from the left-hand menu. Click on Create Lifecycle Policy. Choose EBS Snapshot Policy for snapshot management. Configure your policy details, such as resource type and tags. Set your backup schedule, including frequency and retention period. Review your policy settings and ensure everything is correct. Click on Create Policy to finalize your automated backup plan. To verify your snapshots, revisit the Snapshots section in the Elastic Block Store menu. There, you will find all your created snapshots listed. Remember to regularly check your snapshots to ensure they are functioning as expected. Adjust your backup strategies based on data changes and usage requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.